posachedwapa tikuonesani mwambo olumbilisa second vice president wa dziko lino la Malawi komanso maminista ena amene asankhidwa kumene. Takhalani pompo kuti musatire.
Of your will for our nation. Using
Zachitika, President of the Republic of Malawi, Your Honor Enoch Chihana, Second Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, Honorable Lavmo Chikopa SC, Deputy Chief Justice of the Republic of Malawi, and all members of the judiciary here present, Honorable Loza Fachi Mbirizi, MP-elect, Minister of Agriculture, Irrigation, and Water Development, Honorable George Partridge, Minister of Industrialization, Business, Trade, and Tourism, Dr. Justin Saidi, Chief Secretary to the President and Cabinet, Honorable Peter Mukito, the Secretary General of the Democratic Progressive Party, Honorable Linda Limbe, Secretary General of the Alliance of Democracy Afford, Inkosi Yamakosi Mberwa 5, Inkosi Yamakosi Gomani 5, Paramount Chief Kiyungu, Paramount Chief Chikulamayembe, Mr. Kiswell Dakamau, the Director of State Residence, all government officials here present, Apostle Timothy Koviwa, officiating Kreje, distinguished invited guests. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Malawi, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Malawi, the Office of the President and Cabinet, under the guidance of the Chief Secretary of the President to the President, Dr. Justin Adak Saidi, I warmly welcome you all to this important ceremony this afternoon. Today marks another defining moment in our nation leadership journey as we witness the swearing-in ceremony of the second Vice President and our newly appointed cabinet ministers. We thank you all for gracing this event with your presence. Your Excellency, the State President, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, invited guests, we shall now proceed with the administration of the oath of office for the second Vice President, Right Honorable Enoch Chihana. May I now invite the Chief Registrar, Honorable Innocent Nebi, to invite the Deputy Chief Justice, Honorable Lavmo Chikopa SC, to administer the oath of office to the Right Honorable Enoch Chihana, the second Vice President of the Republic of Malawi.
Your Excellency, Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika, the State President of the Republic of Malawi, Honorable Lavmo Chikopa SC, the Deputy Chief Justice of the Republic of Malawi, Right Honorable Enoch Chihana, the second Vice President designate. Your Excellency, the State President, in the interest of time, allow me to ride on the protocols that have already been established by the Director of Ceremonies. Your Excellency, through a press release from the Office of the President and Cabinet issued on the 5th of October 2025, the nation was informed that it has pleased Your Excellency to appoint Right Honorable Enoch Chihana as the second Vice President of this Republic. The appointment, Your Excellency, was in accordance with Section 80, subsection 5 of the Constitution of the Republic of Malawi. My Lord Deputy Chief Justice, it is a requirement under Section 81, subsection 1 of the Constitution of the Republic of Malawi that before a person elected to be President or Vice President takes office, that person shall take oath of office, which shall be administered in public by the Chief Justice. This afternoon, it is my humble duty, Your Excellency, to invite the Deputy Chief Justice to administer the oath of office to the second Vice President designate. Thank you, Your Excellency. With your permission, my Lord, the Deputy Chief Justice, allow me to invite the second Vice President, Right Honorable Enoch Chihana, to come forward and take oath of office. Thank you.
You repeat after me. I mention your name.
Enoch Chihana,
Do solemnly swear that I will well and truly perform the function of the high office of second Vice President of the Republic of Malawi, and that I will preserve and defend the Constitution, and that I will do right to all manner of people according to law without fear
kuti nduna ziwiri zimene mtsogoleri wa dziko lino anazisankhanso amene wandi Rosa Chimbirizi komanso George Partridge nawonso akhala akulumbira kutenga udindo umenewu kapena kuti akugwira ntchito imeneyi yokhala tsopano nduna za boma.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, the State President of the Republic of Malawi, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we extend our warm congratulations to the Right Honorable Enoch Chihana on taking the oath of office as the second Vice President of the Republic of Malawi. Your Excellency, sir, interestingly, the first person to hold the position of the second Vice President of the Republic of Malawi was the late Chihana. And today, the second person to hold the position of the second Vice President of the Republic of Malawi is his son, Right Honorable Enoch Chihana. Congratulations, Honorable Right Honorable Chihana. Thank you. Your Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we now move to the second part of the ceremony this afternoon, the swearing in of the newly appointed cabinet minister.